Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shrish here from Trading Explained, and in today's video we are going to talk about trading edge. What exactly does that mean? How to develop one and how one can benefit from it. So make sure to stick around with me until the end so you understand all these things, understand all these terms, and take one step in the right direction of becoming a professional trader. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let's begin the video with the most obvious question. What exactly is trading edge? Legendary trader and author of the book Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas, defines trading edge as an edge is nothing more than an indication of a higher probability of one thing happening over another. Now what does this mean? In simple layman language, this means if you have any system, any strategy, any pattern or anything that could give you or tell you where the markets are going to head, probably over other direction, then that can be called as an edge. Now what are the examples of trading edge? Well, examples are moving averages, VWAP, MACD, RSI, all these indicators, price action. Exactly, yeah, I know what you're thinking. This guy is mad, right? No, I am not. Trading edge is literally present everywhere. Trading edge is absolutely everywhere. The thing is, retailers think trading edge is something that only professionals have and we do not, and they use it as a holy grail to make money in the markets. While this is absolutely not true, the fact is professionals view at a market from a different perspective than all the retailers do. And that is the major reason, or that is probably the only reason why professionals make money in the markets and retailers don't. This is because we retailers look at markets from one point of view and the ones making money in the markets look at markets from other point of view. So until and unless we get that match of point of views, retailer cannot become a professional trader. How can one develop an edge in the trading system? Now let's understand that. As I said, these professional traders look at the markets from a different point of view and retailers look at the market from a different point of view, and this gap that is being created is, according to me, the number one reason why so many retailers are losing so much money. Jesse Livermore, the most decorated trader of all time, says the markets are never obvious. They are made to fool most of the people, most of the time. The one who truly understands this statement about markets will never look at the markets the same way. This is such a strong statement about the behavior of the markets that once you understand what this guy is trying to say, you will completely change your perspective about how you look at markets and how you used to look at markets. What we do as a retailers is we'll look at markets or we'll look at technical analysis or whatever system we are using as a certainty. Remember this word, certainty. We'll look at markets as a certainty, or we'll look at this probable move as certain move that is going to happen, and then we lose all the money. The game here is to not be certain but be probable about the outcomes of the markets. Now this is where these professional traders kick in with their edges and we start to lose so much money. These professional people, despite being so much professional and having so much of experience, they do not go with the certainty or the attitude of certainness in the markets. They are open-minded to everything, that yes, anything can happen, and that is why they are open for all probabilities. While on the other hand, retailers like us are certain that okay, according to my analysis, the market is going to go down today, so it must go down today. And then what happens when the market starts to go up? We hesitate to cut our positions, we cancel our stop loss orders, and then we pray to God, oh God, please, just for this one day, make the markets come down. Please, will you? Has this happened to you? I bet it has. It has happened to everyone who has traded markets, even for a single time. This is how the markets behave, and this is how it is made to behave. It is made to fool most of the people most of the time. So what happens when a professional trader trades in such scenarios? He will cut down his losses immediately as soon as he sees the market is going against him. This is why they are so probable in their mindset, and we are certain. We as a retailers act as if we know where the market is going to head. On the other hand, a professional trader, no matter how professional, will act as if he does not know where the markets are going to go, and that is the only way to head in the markets, to go forward in the markets. That act as if you do not know, be probable and open to all the results, and know that yes, you can go wrong on this position the moment you open that position. just have that ability and responsibility and maturity to accept your loss as a trader, to accept your trading decision has been wrong in that particular position, and this responsibility and maturity to accept this losses and all these wrong decisions as a trader will improve your trading significantly over time. So we have understood what is trading edge. We have understood how one can develop it. We have not really talked about developing it because there is nothing I can help you with when it comes to trading edge. Each trader has a different edge, and you have to find your edge according to your psychology, according to your personality, and according to your, what can I say, according to your trading habits. This varies for everyone. I cannot share my trading edge with you because even if I do, it won't work for you, because that is just like personalized thing that one cannot really share with another. So you have to understand, you have to make your own trading edge. How can you do it? As I told you, this trading edge is nothing like holy grail or something. It is present absolutely everywhere. I have seen traders make money just using moving averages. I have seen traders make money just using that VWAP thing. I have seen traders make a lot of money using only MACD and RSI. So there is nothing what we can call, there's no holy grail in this market. This trading edge thing, this is just purely personal, and you have to find your own trading edge where you are learning about markets and what kind of analysis you prefer. Like, do you prefer scalping on 1 or 3 minute charts, or going long term and chasing long trends on 15-minute charts? This is completely up to you. So I cannot really help you in making your edge, but yes, I can tell you that this trading edge thing is absolutely everywhere. This is in all the indicators and all the price action things you have been learning until now. The only thing is, you have to look markets from a different point of view. The different perspective, the shift in perspective that is there, that is going to help you find your trading edge and not better or more analysis. So the moment you start looking at the markets from this probabilities point of view, this is where I know your trading is going to shift like 200%. It's going to go upside down. The moment you start to choose not to be certain in markets, but to be probable and open to all the possible results, that is when you can see a lot of good shift happening in your trading. So I hope this video is helpful. I hope you learned something out of it and this video was helpful to you. Also, if you liked, then please smash the like button and do subscribe to the channel. I do come with such more videos, I guess once in a week now. Previously I was focusing on making more videos, but then I realized that quality is more important than quantity. So from now on, I guess I'll be coming with 1 or 2 videos at max in a week, but that should help. The videos are going to be of good quality and I'll make sure of that. So make sure to stick around with me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also watch my other videos, they will help you in trading by a ton. So you guys watch that and I will see you around. Take care, bye bye, peace. What exactly is trading edge? Legendary trader and author of the book Train, dude,